Are you looking for the best makeup train cases in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best makeup train cases that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Catwalk FX Professional Makeup Train Case. Catwalk FX Professional Makeup Train Case is of professional quality. Whether you are a professional makeup artist or someone who likes to wear makeup, you can buy this product. It is an appealing makeup train case which is compact and lightweight. That's not all, there is an LED mirror that comes free with the product. At number 4, SONGMICS Makeup Train Case Professional Cosmetic Box. SONGMICS Makeup Train Case. The professional cosmetic box is meant for durability. It has DIY compartments with 7 removable dividers. What's more, it has a large capacity which can store all your makeup essentials. The product is very easy to clean as well. You can keep makeup brushes, eyeshadow, lipsticks, nail paints, and much more in this product. At number 3, CHICECO Travel Makeup Train Case. CHICECO Travel Makeup Train Case is a waterproof product, which means you and your makeup can be safe around water. It is easy to clean and wrinkle resistant. All of us want a travel makeup case that has a big capacity, and this one gives you just that. The product is ideal for travel purposes. At number 2, Caboodles Adored 4-Tray Makeup Case. Caboodles Adored 4-Tray Makeup Case is a fun-looking yet grown-up makeup case. You will love the look of this case. Whether you are a professional or just a makeup enthusiast, this is a must-have product for you. In case you have a tiny bathroom, this product will be ideal for you. It may look small from the outside, but the inside has a lot of space. At number 1, Relavel Makeup Train Case Organizer Artist Storage Bag. Relavel Makeup Train Case is ideal for holding all your makeup essentials. It has adjustable compartments which keep your makeup neat and tidy. It is perfect for travel purposes. How? It is a lightweight product which is waterproof and also shockproof. Take a look at the features to be convinced that this product is travel-friendly. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.